Good afternoon and welcome to the channel. In today's video we are going to be showing the use of the Adams Polishes Odor Balm, also the Adams Polishes charcoal bag. So we are going to be reviewing both of these products today. It's going to be kind of a hard review because you guys can't smell what this pickup smells like. It doesn't smell horrible. Easiest way to describe it is an old hotel that was smoked in. It has kind of that chemical smell and like stale cigarette smell. But we will be reviewing these products right here, so let's get to it. So with the Adams Polishes Odor Balm, it's an eco-friendly chlorine dioxide, vapors eliminate odors with no dangerous residue. Works on all chemicals and organic odors. Good for one vehicle, up to 250 cubic feet of interior space. It says that it eliminates cigarettes, cigars, paints, chemicals, gasoline, mildew, food, pets, vomit, mold, smoke, spoiled milk, and more. So I will go over the directions of this Adams Polishes Odor Balm. So first, when you open it up, inside you are going to have the cup to put water in, the packet of the chemicals that will be used, and then some instructions. We'll go over the instructions. It says place vehicle out of direct sunlight. Sunlight UV rays weaken chlorine dioxide strength. 3. Read all information on foil packet, then open packet at notch edge carefully so as not to damage content inside. Remove the ClO2DMG technology pouch from the inside and discard desiccant. 4. Take the ClO2DGM technology pouch, shake it thoroughly to help loosen and mix ingredients, then place pouch back in the container provided. 5. Place container inside vehicle, in a cup holder or on a stable surface on top of lid provided. Do not put directly on carpet. Do not apply when carpet is wet. 6. Using measuring cup provided and 1 full measuring cup of warm tap water over pouch to activate. Do not put lid back on container until treatment is over and product is ready to be discarded. 7. Close all doors, windows, lock vehicle to prevent others from entering vehicle while the product is working. This product is completely non-toxic. However, it is an irritant, therefore should not be used on persons or pets in the vehicle while the auto shocker is activated and in use. 8. Leave the Adams Odor Balm working for 4 to 24 hours depending on severity of odor. 9. At end of treatment, open all doors for ventilation and place lid back on Adams Odor Balm and dispose in an outdoors waste container. 10. Allow vehicle to ventilate for 20 minutes before entering. Tips. In order to ensure optimal performance, you may want to follow these tips. Before using Adams Odor Balm, make sure the interior compartment are open, i.e. glove box, armrests, compartments, etc. Pull down all visors, place floor mats on their sides, clean out ashtrays and remove trash, change air filter. Before step 9, set fan to recycle, run for 15 minutes. Minimum temperature for Adams Odor Balm to work effectively must not be below 50 degrees Fahrenheit. So those are the instructions for the Odor Balm. Sounds extremely easy to use. Once we get done with the Odor Balm, I will show you guys the charcoal bag. That's very, very easy to use. That is something that can be left in the car or pickup for an extended period of time. You're just going to want to throw that under a seat. Just leave it there. Basically, it's acting as an air purifier. It's pulling in and attracting these odors, and it's trapping them in that bamboo charcoal that is inside that bag. So basically, you're getting air purified in your car or pickup for an extended period of time after you've already got rid of the odors in whatever you're trying to get rid of the odors in. Alright, so those are the steps for the Adams Odor Balm. It is now sitting in there. I did not lock the doors because I'm not going to have anyone getting in it. I know that for sure. But I will say when you start adding that water and the chemical reaction starts happening, it is very pungent is what I'm going to say. I could see where it could be an irritant. It'll definitely take your breath away. So don't waste a whole lot of time. Dump that water in, get the door shut, leave it, lock it if there's kids around or anyone that's going to be maybe possibly getting in it. Here there is not. So, but that's how you use the Odor Balm. We are going to let this sit. I'm going to do probably a little over 4 hours with it. Let it sit in there, let it do its thing. As you guys saw, we have all the glove box open, the center console open, the visors down. We have all that done like they stated. We also have the bamboo charcoal bag from Adams Polishes. Like I said, this is very easy to use. We will be throwing it under a seat when we are done with this and have this aired out for the 20 minutes like they state to do, and we discard the odor bomb, and then we will be placing this in there as an air purifier that will last a really long time and get the smell out of this pickup. I'll show you guys opening that charcoal bag up, putting it under a seat when this is done, so you guys will see that. And then that is all there really is to do with the Adams Odor Bomb. Very easy to use. You're just basically, as you saw, removing it, shaking it up, adding water, putting it in, just leaving it alone. The charcoal bag, extremely easy to use as well. So both really good products on ease of use. We will see how they work. I will let you guys know about that. But I want to thank all of you guys so much for stopping in and checking out this video. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. Leave a thumbs up on this video. Thumbs up, subscribing, commenting, all that helps the channel greatly. The channel is growing. We have a lot of new subscribers on the channel. Thank you to all of my new subscribers, and thank you to all of my old subscribers that are still interacting with the channel. I really appreciate all you guys' support. It is truly amazing, and it is heartfelt of you guys supporting the channel. But thank you guys so much for that. I really do appreciate it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I will let you guys know in an update or something how this has worked and what the customer lets me know. But like I said, subscribe if you haven't. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video. Leave a comment, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. And until then, take care.